Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use Office2SharePoint, a modern Office add-in for Outlook, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. Office2SharePoint is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. Office2SharePoint runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Outlook Mail, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. This video is dedicated to administrators and all the additional functions and settings. First, we are going to learn how to operate meta settings. If you use Office2SharePoint as an administrator, you can set the app to save additional mail metadata, or even configure the app to identify whether mandatory field data are required, which are the columns of the SharePoint site. In order to do this, click on Settings in the top right corner and select Meta Settings. Then you tick the option you want and save. Office2SharePoint support the new metadata column type in SharePoint. A managed metadata column is a new column type that can be added to lists, libraries, or content types to enable site users to select values from a specific term set of managed terms and apply these values to their content. Managed metadata columns promote the consistent use of metadata across sites because they provide users with a list of terms that they can apply to their content. These terms come from a term set that is managed centrally in the Term Store Management tool by a term store administrator or other individuals with permissions to manage terms. You can always manage field data on SharePoint referring to metadata by opening a SharePoint site and choosing a folder. When you click on the All Documents curtain, select Edit Current View and tick the columns you want to keep. Now let's have a look at user administration. You can manage Office2SharePoint users by clicking on Settings and selecting User Administration. You will see all the users in another tab where you can either remove them by clicking on the red X icon, edit their data by clicking on the pencil icon, or add new users by clicking on the blue Add New User icon. Once you assign a user, that user will get a license the first time he or she connects. When adding new users, make sure you remove or reassign licenses or contact us to purchase more in case you need it. Administrators are able to organize all the Office2SharePoint sites. Here is how it is done. When you are saving an email, you can save files to a SharePoint group. Team sites can also be managed by clicking on Team Sites. There you can tick your preferred groups or remove any unwanted ones. The same functions exist for SharePoint sites. To do this, click on Sites. On the right side of every site, there are 3 dots. By clicking on them, you can either choose Add for Me for your own Office2SharePoint, or you can choose Add for All, and the sites will appear on each user's sites. If you go to My Sites, you can remove any unwanted ones by clicking on the red chain icon. Only administrators can remove the green sites that are added for all users. However, this will not delete the sites from SharePoint. Administrators are also able to set and remove the Quick Save option. If you want to set a Quick Save feature for all users, you have to select an email, click on Save, and find your preferred folder. In the top right corner, you will see a red tick box. If you click on it, it will change to green. This means that the specific folder has been set as a Quick Save folder. If you want to remove the Quick Save feature from the folder, you have to go to the settings and select Remove Quick Save. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!